Charter, I miss it so much, but thankfully I'm on a private boat that likes to go. So at least I still felt like I'm at that charter pace. And when I switched over to private, I was so sad that I wasn't going to be writing these kick-ass itineraries anymore with my Charter Itinerary software, but that's not just the case. I actually use it quite possibly just as much as when I was on charter, now that I'm on private. And I don't think I realized just how helpful it could be in a private program, but it is. And the cool thing is, my crew all put their 2 cents in when they see me writing one up. I think they like all the pre-written descriptions and photos, and then like there's even pre-written itineraries in their entirety. I mean, I already knew I loved it, so it's pretty cool to see them loving it and using it too. And let me just say, Chef loves the preference sheets and loves being able to refer to the program for it. And my first officer and deckhand, they love being able to log in and see where we're going and what we're doing. Not gonna lie, I love that too, because I don't get asked 20 times a day now, where are we going and what are we doing? And for my chief stew, bless her. Even though I go over the plan with the guests thoroughly, it never fails that she gets a million questions a day about what the plans are for that specific day. And now she can just look at this, even share it with them if she wants, and then she can also use it to educate and remind herself where we're going and what we're doing. Now, I used to write my own itineraries and print them out for the crew to refer to, but guys, Charter Itinerary, that software is just next level. Y'all, private or charter, you have got to check this out.